Hey guys, welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free. Picking up from lunch in Maihomehoian is the cooking class over there. They're going to go ahead and teach me how to make steamed rice noodle rolls. And let me show you how this is done. Okay, so
Tapioca?
that's rice flour and
only.
water.
Rice only.
Yeah, rice powder only.
And this is
A
the
little bit salt.
Filling.
Yeah,
filling.
little topping inside.
Okay. So there's a little bit of salt. It's like a steamed dosa.
Okay,
This one, the carrot, meat, onions, and
okay, carrots and
yeah. Okay, come on, cheese. Now,
Sure,
because the lady makes. You make sure that the water really hot and
Okay.
boil that up.
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly. Now, quick.
Okay.
cover.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, so
More ingredient here.
Yeah, you gotta add more
Sesame,
substance.
salt, garlic, onion to make it fry. Yeah. And now you put it in the middle.
bamboo
Then
stick.
you grab it. Yeah, bamboo stick. Put in the
Dips
water
in
to
water.
make it not sticky.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
And
Easy,
oh, it's okay.
Làm lâu quá nó vỡ rồi. Okay.
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 Hey.
Covered, so like steamed.
In back
Okay,
home, you
and
don't
the-
have
So
the
the gas is on
You
low.
use the one the paper.
It's like a cotton cloth.
Put in one side.
Okay.
Oh,
Được cái gì? Cắt được cái này.
now
Just
the-
put
Okay.
the
Okay.
okay. Okay, putting some of the meat in there.
Which one again into water?
Ah, okay.
Okay, more water is added.
Hey.
Stuffing.
Too much stuffing, eh?
Come on. Oh! 2 sticks will help.
Hey.
Oh, good. Good
Your
job.
turn.
Nathan. Yeah.
No, I'm not smarter. I'm even don't cook as well.
So better you work with a tour guide.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
Like
That
a
looks-
professional.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
So the most important, that's how you put it in.
How you put it in the thing? Shall hold the plate. And then you can put it on the plate. Yay! You got it. So now we have to make this, and now it's time to eat this. I got some fish sauce at the side. Okay. Dipping some of this. It's gonna be hot. Okay, and 1, 2. Yum, so tasty. Thank you guys for watching this cooking class in Maihomehoian. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free videos and recipes. Have a great day.